Well, welcome back. I have a new video, and it wasn't a video I initially thought I would be making, but I was just doom scrolling TikTok, as you do, finished work, just generally doom scrolling before bed, and I saw a video for a company I never knew about, and the company does mystery boxes. Now, I'm a sucker for a mystery box, I really am. Mystery boxes, blind boxes, absolutely love them, can't get enough of them. And one of my other passions is hats. You never really see me often without a hat. I've done a few videos without a hat. I am a middle-aged man, I have a receding hairline. It's not a secret. So one of my passions, and I wear a lot of hats, I own a lot of hats. So when I saw a video on TikTok of someone doing unboxing of a hat store mystery box of hats, I knew I had to go and order some. So yeah, this not a sponsored video, not affiliated with them. I literally saw it on TikTok and had to order it so that I could do an unboxing of my own for 3 random hats. So they got 3 options. They got dad hats, curved hats where the peak's curved. I always wear, I like my peaks like this Oakley hat with a curve. Got to be very careful, I'm waving a knife in my face. And they also do the flat peak. I own a few, don't wear them that often. Normally got looked at, and I used to get funny looks because the second I'd buy a hat and if it had the flat peak on it, I would bend it straight away, and a lot of people didn't like that. But yeah, this is a blind box. This cost me £50 from Sweden. I actually paid for the sort of the quicker delivery, which was like £7. I found a code online where I saved some money. So this is a mystery to me. But yeah, hat store sent some stickers. I like stickers. I like a lot of things, to be fair. I'm a bit of a sucker for anything, but these are the hats. Mystery box 3, yeah, curved brim. Let's get into it and let's see what hats they have sent us. Now, I looked on their website at some of the hats, and the hats are fairly well priced. They're £30 each. So to get 3 hats for I think it was like $49.99 plus shipping, but yeah, with a voucher I paid £49 delivered. So is that more stickers? That is more stickers. I'm trying not to look at these hats at all. So I'm going to pull out the first one, which is oh, okay. Now, they don't ask you any questions, but Tasmanian Devil trucker hat. My favourite character from the Looney Tunes, Tasmanian Devil. I actually have Tasmanian Devil tattooed on my shoulder, which my parents got me for my 18th birthday. Try not to look at these other hats. So this is but yeah, this is a caps lab. I saw this on their website. I was tempted with it, and it was $29.99, I think it was. But yeah, look at, oh, even got Looney Tunes in there. Let's oh, how's that look? Tasmanian Devil. Oh, I'm stoked about. I actually have one similar to this, but I think it was a cheap one off Temu or something. But yeah, trucker hat, caps lab. Oh, even little whirlwind on the side. Yeah, I really like it. First hat's a banger. Oh, let's leave that one on. Let's next one. Feels like a trucker's hat again. Another Speedy Gonzales. Oh, okay. I hope they're not all. Again, I've not looked down, but Speedy Gonzales, cool character. Yeah, I do like Speedy Gonzales. You got the cheese on the side of this one. Yeah, caps lab again. I like the yellow stitching, sort of yellowy gold stitching to go with Yeah, but this has got, yeah, just plain black stitching. I quite like the contrast of that. And yeah, and it's nice to broaden my horizons, because they're not the type of caps I would generally buy anyway. But yeah, Speedy Gonzalez. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I got to admit, the video that I watched, guy was getting sort of like New York Yankees hats, and a few others. So yeah, to have two, I'm not hating on it though. I have to admit, I'm not hating on it. Speedy Gonzalez, and that £60 worth of caps so far. And the next one, oh, it's not a trucker hat. Looking down. So we have a 47 MVP adjustable Boston Red Sox hat. I actually like the hat. The colorway is banging. It's a World Series hat. Yeah, I've got to admit, for a mystery box for £50 delivered, yeah, I can't really complain. Speedy Gonzalez wasn't my favourite character. Sylvester or Tweety would have been cooler, but he was still a cool character. The best Boston Red Sox, yes, not my team, but I'm still going to wear it because it is a cool hat. Yeah, I'm not against it. To be fair, I've always been a Yankees fan. I've always been a Raiders fan. And I'm going to say this loosely, I've always been a Luton fan. I don't actually watch football, don't really watch baseball, so am I really cheating on my team if I'm wearing a Boston Red Sox? I probably am. But yeah, it's a really nice hat. I do like these hats, and a World Series hat. So yeah, for the price, I would... Yeah, I've got to admit, I wanted to give them a try. I thought, it's not going to be that good, especially watching it on TikTok. I was like, this is just an advertisement for the company. But yeah, these are the hats that I have just got. Taz, the fact that he's my favourite character, absolutely amazing. Speedy Gonzalez, he is a really cool character. I actually really like him. Probably not a hat I would have chosen, which is a good thing about buying a mystery box. So yeah, and then the Boston Red Sox hat. The Red Sox are a great team, not my chosen team, but yeah, I'm still going to rock this. I really like it. So yeah, if you I'll leave a link to their website. Again, not sponsored or anything like that, but if you like your hats, the delivery was really quick. I bought it, I think it was Monday, and it turned up Friday. Okay, I did pay the extra, I think it was like £7 for the delivery instead of the standard delivery, but yeah, I can't quibble at all. And they do some other cool things. They do a hat bender, and a few other bits, you know, like a nice storage box, because I do need a decent storage box, especially as we're going back to America in a few months' time, and I'm a sucker when I go into lids, Probass, especially now that I know Probass do some more higher end hats. The Probass hats that I normally wear, they were like the $6 hats that they have. I got all excited when we went to the Vegas one, and I bought a few of them, a fair few of them, but I know they do some sort of $10-20 hats, which I'm probably going to look at next time. So yeah, I'm going to need a proper hat storage. So yeah, hat store, I'll be visiting the website again soon. Yeah, because some decent hat storage, and it's nice to find a decent hat store. And I might even buy another. If you know, let me know what you think of the mystery box. Should I buy another one? Should I try the flat brim and the dad hats? Should I give it a go? I think I might. Let me know in the description below. But yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll be back very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Adios.